Microsoft Planner does not have a native Gantt chart feature, but you can still create a Gantt-like view by using the schedule view or by integrating Planner with other tools like Microsoft Project or Power BI. Here's how you can utilize these options. Use a schedule view in Microsoft Planner. Open your Planner plan and click on the Schedule tab at the top. The schedule view displays your tasks on a calendar with start and due dates, similar to a Gantt chart. You can drag and drop tasks to change dates, helping visualize task timelines. Although it doesn't have the full functionality of a Gantt chart, this calendar-like layout helps you manage deadlines and task dependencies. Use Microsoft Project for a Gantt chart. If you need a full Gantt chart, integrate Microsoft Planner with Microsoft Project. With the integration, you can sync tasks from Planner to Project and use the Gantt chart functionality in Project. Steps: go to Microsoft Project, import tasks from Planner and select your plan to create a Gantt chart. Power BI integration. Use Power BI to create custom reports and Gantt charts by connecting Planner data. This method requires setting up Power BI to pull Planner tasks and visualize them in a Gantt chart format.